Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the coolest tools to make your work easier and more efficient. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, we've got some amazing gadgets today that you'll definitely want to add to your toolkit. Let's dive in and check out these must-have tools available on Amazon. Number 1. The DBI Sala 3M Comfort Construction Weight Distribution Positioning Safety Harness enhances comfort and safety during construction work. Its weight distribution system includes a robust hip pad and lightweight back bar, redistributing weight from the shoulders to reduce fatigue. The harness features auto-locking quick connect leg and chest connections, which secure the webbing without frequent adjustments. It also has an automatic stand-up back deering with an anti-slide dorsal deering pad for quick and easy connections using lightweight aluminum deerings. Revolving torso adapters allow for easy adjustments to ensure a secure and comfortable fit while the webbing stays in place. Additionally, the harness includes auto-resetting lanyard keepers for the fast and convenient parking of snap hooks and carabiners, making it a practical choice for workers who need flexibility and reliability. Number 2. The Vever 16 feet Drywall Lift Sheetrock Lift is a versatile tool designed for easy one-person operation. It can be assembled and disassembled without tools, making it perfect for DIY and residential projects. Featuring a labor-saving winch, the panel lifter allows a single person to efficiently install plasterboard or planks. Its telescopic arm adjusts from 4 to 9.5 feet, and it can lift panels to a maximum height of 16 feet, making it ideal for ceiling installations. The panel hoist tilts 60 degrees forward or backward and rotates 360 degrees, suitable for both flat and inclined ceilings. Built from heavy-duty carbon steel, the lift has a load capacity of 150 pounds, ensuring durability and reliability for both home and commercial use. For added stability, it includes locking outriggers, a broad tripod base, and anti-slip locking casters, allowing secure mounting and flexible movement across job sites. Number 3. The Crescent Lufkin 50-foot compact chalk reel with blue chalk is designed for durability and convenience. It features a fold-away handle that locks the retrieval arm in place, preventing accidental breakage or unwinding. A release button disengages the crank, allowing the line to be pulled out quickly for efficient marking. The reel includes end hook storage on the reverse side to protect the hook and avoid line tangles during storage. The reinforced braided string offers the perfect balance between retaining chalk and reducing overspray, ensuring precise lines. Additionally, the side refill door has a large opening for easy and quick chalk refills, making the tool user-friendly and efficient for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Number 4. The WorkPro Utility Knife Blades, made from durable SK5 steel, are designed for versatility and fit most standard and fixed utility knives perfectly. This 100-pack of replacement blades offers great value, coming in a well-built case for safe storage and disposal. Each blade is rigorously tested to ensure high quality and reliability. Known for their sharpness, these blades easily cut through various materials, including cardboard, leather, linoleum, rope, and soft metals, making them an essential tool for both professionals and DIY users. With their high durability and precision, these blades offer excellent performance for a wide range of tasks. Number 5. The iGerburn Drill Belt Holder is a tactical clip designed for easy attachment to tool belts and pants, fitting belts up to 2 inches wide. Its wider, deeper design ensures a secure fit, preventing your drill from falling. The flat-back clip offers comfortable wear, preventing any poking or discomfort when carrying your drill, allowing for quick, one-handed access to your tools. Constructed from high-quality plastic with a sturdy stainless steel drill hook and reinforced screws, this holder is strong enough to hold DeWalt, Milwaukee, and Ryobi impact drivers. It's a convenient, everyday carry tool accessory, offering a low-profile alternative to bulky tool belts. By attaching your drill directly to the clip, it prevents pocket wear and tear, making it perfect for those who want to protect their jeans while keeping their drill within easy reach. Number 6. The Jastined Industrial Air Blow Gun is a powerful pneumatic tool designed for efficient dust and debris cleaning. Featuring a new supercharging construction and tapered nozzle, it delivers high-volume, powerful air blow-off. Its all-metal construction includes high-pressure copper alloy accessories, a durable chrome-plated zinc alloy gun body, and improved sealing components, making it a reliable tool for industrial use. The adjustable airflow nozzle allows precise control, while the two additional steel and copper extensions with protective tips enable easy access to tight or sensitive areas. Ideal for various applications, it effectively cleans dust, water, powder, and debris in both industrial and household settings. The metal hanging hook provides convenient storage, making it easy to keep the tool within reach when not in use. Durable and versatile, this air blow gun ensures excellent performance for tough cleaning jobs. Number 7. The Ozark Oscillating Multi-Tool Hook Knife Blade Set is designed for cutting soft materials like roofing shingles, PVC, carpet, and cardboard. Its unique twin-hook design allows for fast, clean cuts, significantly reducing the time and effort compared to traditional hand tools. One hook is optimized for pull-through cuts, while the other is ideal for push-through tasks, ensuring versatility for various applications. Made from heat-treated premium alloy steel, these blades offer enhanced hardness and durability, extending their lifespan by 50%. The hook knife cutter blade is perfect for precise trimming of roof shingles, carpet, cardboard, asphalt shingles, and thin PVC flooring. Additionally, these blades are universally compatible with most oscillating multi-tools, making them a reliable and essential tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 8. The Saker 4-in-1 Drilling Positioning Ruler is a multifunctional tool designed for precision in woodworking and DIY projects. It excels in drilling tasks but is also perfect for installing door handles, crafting shelves, and building cabinets. Its 3 adjustable positioning blocks ensure high accuracy, making drilling, nailing, and marking faster and more precise. Equipped with dual-axis bubble levels, it aids in horizontal and vertical alignment, ensuring perfect leveling even on uneven surfaces. Made from durable aluminum alloy, this tool is built to last, with wear-resistant printing that preserves accurate measurements over time. The adjustable ABS knobs allow for easy changes in length and angle, offering flexibility for various projects. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, the Saker 4-in-1 Drilling Positioning Ruler is an indispensable tool for ensuring precision and efficiency in all your projects. Number 9. The Malta Dynamics Reusable Parapet Anchor Clamp is designed for secure temporary fall arrest anchorage on flat roofs with parapet walls. It accommodates walls ranging from 2.36 to 14.1 inch thick, measuring 25.5 inch in length and 14.25 inch in height, with a minimum wall height of 9 inch. This anchor clamp meets OSHA and ANSI Z359.18-2017 Type A standards, ensuring safety and reliability for users. Its non-penetrating design allows for tool-free installation, featuring dual tightening handles that make setup quick and easy. Rubber protective pads safeguard the parapet wall from damage during use. Constructed from durable materials, including alloy steel and zinc-plated steel, it has a weight capacity range of 130 to 310 pounds, making it suitable for various applications. The adjustable design provides a practical solution where standard self-retracting lifelines cannot be used, ensuring versatility and ease of use for fall protection on construction sites. Number 10. The Shell Cabinet Jack Support Pole is a versatile tool designed for lifting drywall, cabinets, and cargo bars with a load capacity of up to 154 pounds, 70 kilograms. Constructed from high-quality galvanized steel and die-cast aluminum, this support rod is resistant to corrosion and rust, ensuring long-lasting durability. It features a precise height adjustment range from 54 inch to 114 inch, 137 centimeters to 290 centimeters, with 6 separate holes for easy extension and an ergonomic handle for accurate adjustments. The rotating textured pads, with an anti-slip nylon layer, offer flexible positioning from -65 degrees to +65 degrees, enhancing grip and protecting surfaces. The non-slip handle is lightweight yet sturdy, designed for comfortable use, while the quick-release lever allows for effortless extension and retraction of the support pole. For added convenience, it comes with a portable storage bag made from water-repellent Oxford cloth, making it easy to transport and store when not in use. Number 11. The Vever drywall stilts are designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts needing extra height for tasks like sheetrock installation, painting, and taping. Adjustable from 24-inch to 40-inch, these stilts provide versatility for various projects. The upgraded soft PVC knee pads ensure comfort and security, while durable knee straps prevent breakage, offering reliable support. They accommodate foot sizes ranging from 10.6-inch to 11.4-inch through a convenient 3-position heel bracket design. Made from robust aluminum alloy, the stilts can support up to 228 pounds and are rust-proof and stable, promising a long service life. For added stability, solid nylon straps and dual shock-absorbing springs help maintain balance while walking, allowing users to move with confidence. The rubber bases at the bottom increase friction on the ground, preventing slips and scratches. With these stilts, you can elevate your work experience and tackle your next big project with ease. Number 12. The Lexivin V28S splitting axe is expertly designed with a wedge-shaped blade profile for efficient one-strike splits of firewood, logs, and kindling. Its optimized blade angles maximize cutting efficiency, making it ideal for campers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts preparing wood for bonfires or garden work. Crafted from forged grade-A carbon steel, the heat-treated blade features hardened cutting edges for deeper, cleaner cuts and enhanced durability. The blade is fully encased and overmolded onto the handle, ensuring it's virtually indestructible. The axe is equipped with an innovative fiberglass handle that is stronger than wood, shock-absorbing, and weather-resistant, complete with an anti-slip grip. Its reinforced back spine provides extra strength to withstand extreme impacts. With a balance point close to the axe head, it offers perfect weight distribution for increased swing speed and power. For safety, the axe includes a protective carrying sheath, allowing for convenient storage and transport.